Hey, this is Molly from Digital Mom Blog. Today we are looking at how to make steel cut oats in the Instant Pot. Super simple. Your family will love this. Let's do it. Here's what you're going to need: steel cut oats, salt, cooking spray, water, and your Instant Pot. Spray your Instant Pot liner with your cooking spray. This will help with cleanup. Next, dump 8 cups of water, 4 cups of steel cut oats, shake the salt in, and put them all into your Instant Pot liner. Put your Instant Pot lid back on, make sure that it's sealed, and set your Instant Pot for 13 minutes manually. Let it do its thing, beep, and then let it naturally release, which is around 15 minutes. Open up your Instant Pot lid, stir it. Once you're all done, you have your basic steel cut oats, but I'm going to show you how to up that game with those steel cut oats. Do this. Get a can of apple pie filling, cinnamon, vanilla, brown sugar, pumpkin pie spice, and you're going to mix that all in. Cover the lid and let it all mesh and heat. You can even add a little butter if you want. That will totally up your Instant Pot game with cinnamon apple Instant Pot steel cut oats that are delicious and something your family will love. That's all we have for today, and that's how you make steel cut oats in the Instant Pot. We have the full recipe on the blog, and make sure you subscribe. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, leave a comment.